You are going to work for 40 years. You are going to sacrifice weekends, miss family dinners, skip vacations, all so you can save enough money to finally retire comfortably. And every single month, you will trust your 401k to protect that dream. But here is what your employer, your HR department, and Wall Street will never tell you. The 401k was never designed to make you wealthy in retirement. It was designed to make them wealthy using your money. And by the time most Americans figure this out, it is too late to fix it. Today, I am going to show you exactly what is happening to your retirement savings right now and what you can actually do before it is too late. The 401k was created in 1978 by accident. A benefits consultant found a loophole in a tax law. It was never meant to replace pensions. It was never designed to be the primary retirement plan for 150 million Americans. It was a tax loophole that accidentally became the foundation of American retirement, and Wall Street saw an opportunity and ran with it. Before 401k existed, most American workers had pensions. Your company paid you a fixed amount every single month for the rest of your life after retirement. You did not have to manage anything. You did not have to pick stocks. You just worked, retired, and got paid. Then, in the 1980s, companies quietly switched from pensions to 401k plans. Why? Because pensions cost companies money forever. A 401k shifts all the risk onto you. The company makes one contribution, and their responsibility ends there. If the market crashes the year you retire, that is your problem, not theirs. Here are the 3 biggest problems destroying your retirement right now. Problem 1 is fees. The average American pays around 1% in fees every single year inside their 401k. That sounds tiny, but over 40 years, that 1% quietly steals $200,000 from your retirement account. $200,000 gone, not to your future, but to fund managers on Wall Street who did absolutely nothing special to earn it. Problem 2 is market risk. In 2008, the average 401k lost 38% of its value in a single year. People who were days away from retirement watched their entire life savings drop by nearly half overnight. They had no choice but to keep working for years longer than they ever planned, and there was nothing they could do about it. Problem 3 is taxes. Your traditional 401k is tax deferred, meaning you do not pay taxes now, but you pay them when you withdraw money in retirement. The government is betting that tax rates will be higher in the future. Most financial experts agree with that bet. So you could spend 40 years saving in a 401k and then retire into a higher tax environment where the government takes far more than you ever expected. Now, here is the number that should scare every single American. The average person retires with just $87,000 in their 401k. If you withdraw 4% per year, the standard safe withdrawal rate, that gives you $290 per month from your 401k. Add the average Social Security payment of $1,900 per month, and your total retirement income is around $2,200 per month, in a country where the average rent alone is $1,500 per month. That leaves $700 for food, medicine, utilities, transport, and everything else. The math does not work, and nobody is telling you this while you are still young enough to fix it. So what do you actually do about it? First, still contribute to your 401k if your employer matches contributions. That is free money, and you should always take it. But treat it as a starting point, not the whole plan. Second, open a Roth IRA alongside your 401k. It grows completely tax-free, gives you more investment options, and protects you from future tax increases. Third, only invest in index funds with expense ratios under 0.1%. Stop paying Wall Street to slowly drain your retirement account. Fourth, build income streams outside the stock market. Real estate, a side business, dividend stocks, and a regular brokerage account. The Americans who actually retire comfortably are not the ones who maxed out their 401k and hoped for the best. They are the ones who built multiple streams of income and never relied on a single plan. The 401k is not your retirement plan. It is just the beginning of one. If you treat it like the finish line, you will reach retirement exhausted, underprepared, and out of options. The time to fix this is right now, not when you are 60 and the damage is already done. Share this video with someone who is blindly trusting their 401k right now because they deserve to know the truth. Subscribe for weekly videos that break down exactly how the financial system really works and how you can make it work for you instead. Drop in the comments. Are you currently contributing to a 401k? And did you know any of this? I read every single comment. See you in the next one.